to please, ladies and gentlemen, please, thank you very much, so